Good morning. Larry Powell here, BMW, the Hudson Valley Service Director. Our brief ride this morning is to familiarize you with our service center. This morning I'm driving a 2025 BMW i5 all-electric vehicle. Not only an ultimate driving machine, but also the ultimate video machine with its smooth ride and super quiet operation. Traveling southbound on Route 9, also known as South Road, our destination is BMW of the Hudson Valley. As you pass BMW Hudson Valley on the left, you will come upon a left turn lane. Use that lane to turn left onto South Road northbound. Please be sure to use the turnaround area. It is a very important safety measure as well as a ticketable offense if you don't use it. As you turn right onto our facility, please proceed down to the end of the drive. Please pull up to the garage door with the service sign above it. The door will open automatically. Please pull through the orange cones, and once past the cones, please bear to the right and pull forward as directed by our staff. One of our service advisors will assist you from there. Looking forward to seeing you soon, and thank you for taking the ride with me today. Have a great day.